Are you looking for a grand home with views and a pool? Well, 27022 Falling Leaf Drive might be the home for you. This fabulous Brock Classics floor plan is definitely worth checking out. It's one of our favorite anywhere with great use of space. There's so much to love. Come check it out. Thank you for viewing 27022 Falling Leaf Drive. For further information or to see this fabulous home on your own, call or text the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading Moulton Ranch realtors for over 20 years.